Armagh has a very interesting and varied public art trail. So what is public art? It is art for everyone. It can be tall or small, realistic or abstract, sculpted, carved, painted, assembled, cast from a wealth of materials and masonry. Sometimes it blends in with the surroundings, sometimes the complete opposite. Sometimes it is popular, sometimes not so. Let's go and have an overview of some of the features of Armagh's public art trail and find out why they are here and who created them. A very popular walking trail is the Gargoyle and Angel Trail. There are 22 miniature sculptures dotted around Armagh. They were created by a German-born artist, Holger Christian Lunz. He started his working life as a furniture maker and then studied sculpture. If you go and seek them out, I think you will agree his work is amazing. They can be hard to find. Some are at ground level, some at eye level, and many more much higher up. Each one is unique. See how many you can find. Armagh is oozing with myths and legends. This sculpture, entitled For the Love of Emer, represents the legendary Cuchulainn perfecting the art of balancing on a pole, which he learned on the Isle of Skye to impress Emer's father and to ask for her hand in marriage. It was created by Tyrone artist Martin Heron, who stated that everyone has to learn to balance themselves with the world around us. Armagh has two spheres in the city centre created by Ballymoney-born artist Brian Connolly. Turning Point was a gift to Armagh from the city of Belfast in 2012. It is located on the Mall and doubles up as a sundial. Around it are 4 figures. Use the eye holes of these to look up inside the globe and gaze at the stars mapped out in the Northern Hemisphere. The significance of it is that no matter what our background is, when we look up, we all see the same stars. Celestial Sphere is on English Street and portrays the brightest stars in the night sky. It has a lot of astronomical detail on and around it. It is very fitting to have these because Armagh has an observatory founded in 1790 and a planetarium opened in 1968.